guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we have marinated shrimp guys. Yum, yum, yum. This is 500 grams. So let's start to eat guys. We have a rice here guys. Because this one need to eat with rice. Ooh, yummy. Sweet. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Sobrang sarap guys. Mmm. We eat with rice guys. Mm. Sweet. Oh my god. You know guys, really love it. You already clean guys. So, uh, the, the guts, everything they already remove. Yum yum yum. Sauce. Mmm. Yummy. Amazing. I bought this one guys for almost 47, including the charge la. Uh, I transfer it to my bowl because the coming here for the styrofoam. We put the plastic one, so I transfer to my bowl. Yesterday arrived, guys. Oh my god, I love it. It's 500 grams, guys. Mm. Yummy, guys. The sweet, you know. Mm. I love it, guys. Mm. Mm. Yummy one. While they are marinated, I saw the marinated one get this. Um, let's look. Lemon, guys. The marinate with lemon, this one, guys, including lemon. I love it. See, with rice. Eat with rice, guys. Pickles. One more. One more bite. Mmm. Mmm. Very, very good one. Very good one. Oh my god. I can eat. I can stop eating, guys. Oh my god. Very delicious. Wow. The the fresh meat of this shrimp, huh? The sweet, the the meat is sweet. Mm. With rice, guys. Wow, one more. OMG. Mm. I love it. I love it. I really love it. OMG. OMG. Wow. So yummy. Sauce, guys, sauce. Wow. Wow, the rice. With rice. Mmm. Mmm. Grabe. It's very yummy. Mm. Pula, guys. Drink Coca-Cola. Yes. Love it, guys. I love it. I really love it. Wow. You're really clean, guys. You're really clean. See? Mm. Mm. Eating with restaurant. Best one. Mm. Love it. Eating with rice, guys, is very, really, really yummy. Mm. Somebody try to eat, guys. Try to eat, guys. Mm. My friends, my friend have selling this one. Have French shop with selling this one. So he recommend me for this one. Try. He said try our this one lah marinated shrimp. Okay. Wow, I really love it, guys. And Samoa, this is big one. Mm, big one. Really love it. Mm. With rice, best. Mm. Mm. A little bit spicy, guys. The sauce. Mm. I saw the whole chili there inside while they marinated. Mm. Yummy. Really yummy. Mm. Mm. The cooking wine smell, guys, very high. They put a lot. Mm. And the sweet is like the liquid one. Mm. I feel like the sweetness just come from the liquid one. I don't know what's like liquid. Yummy. It's 500 gram, guys. 500 gram. Comes from 500 gram. Wow. I really love it. Rice finish. Mmm. Yummy. You love it. Mmm. 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 Yummy, guys. Mmm. Best. Try it, guys. Just try it. I'm full. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.